Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we're going to be talking about a pair of my newest Adidas Taekwondos. This is in this really cool blue glow pink colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and styling segment. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome on in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Today we're going to be talking about one of my cheapest sneaker pickups I feel like ever, or at least in a long time. This is a pair I actually snagged during Black Friday, and these were already marked down, I want to say, to like $63 on sale. But on that specific day, they actually had it so that it was like an additional 50% off of that. So I got this pair because I got it in Jersey. Also, there was no sales tax, for about like 30 bucks, which is pretty crazy since these originally were a lot more than that. We'll talk about that towards the end of the video, but we'll start off with the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this. A really cool pop of color. Then we'll conclude, of course, with how much these originally went for on the retail market. All right, let's jump right into it. So if you are joining the channel for the first time, you probably don't know that I've done many variations and colorways of the Adidas Taekwondo. This honestly is probably one of my favorite sneakers to cover, just because I think that these look so good on foot. These are also super trendy and stylish. I feel like if you're not too gung-ho on the ballet silhouette, the Taekwondo is a very easy transition to come over to have that same kind of slender, sleek, narrow look. As far as the color scheme goes, this isn't a nice satiny material, really just hits and glows with the light. So the name Blue Glow Pink is honestly like the perfect name for this sneaker, just because of the way that it hits the light, the way that the color combinations really sync together. This is a beautiful pink tone that they've decided to kind of pair with that satin blue, and I think it just works very well together. We've got a nice satiny tongue here, very thin and narrow, and then it looks like the Adidas logo is just in a simple kind of muted navy colorway, so it's not so in your face. And then the other kind of subtlety and color scheme is just the threading that you see here. It's in almost like an off-white threading tone and finish. So let's take a look at those details, then jump into size and fit. So wrapping around to the side panels, we've got some nice simple 3 stripes in a leather texture in that bubblegum pink tone, and then we've got some threading and stitching in the nice pop of royal blue. Wrapping around to the back of the heel, we've got Adidas in that nice pop of blue on top of the bubblegum pink leather. Same color combination on the lateral side. The interior is in pink for the insole, and the writing is in navy. Then we've got some nice kind of shiny material that's in this pink tone as well to finish off the inside of the sneaker itself. Wrapping around to the midsole, it's in blue, and the sneaker is completed with a gum bottom. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. size and fit goes, I'm typically an 8.5 women's for most of my Adidas sneakers. And again, these are very narrow. So if you have wider feet, you're definitely gonna need to size up on these. But I feel like going half a size down for myself works perfect because that European size is kind of like my exact size in other brands. All right, so now let's jump into styling. So for the first look, I decided to wear my Y3 top with a nice kind of Y3 matching skirt in black and white. I do think that these sneakers look amazing and really pop with color. So definitely wanted it to be the standout for that look.
Make it right.
Second look, I kept a little bit more muted with some nice cream Adidas pants and a nice just denim zip up jacket. Denim is also just gonna look great with this blue hue. Last and final look, I wore some denim baggy pants with an Adidas silver vintage leather jacket.
Longing for the same old ride. Want it, bring it, 'cause I need it. Oh no, first to sink, then I drown, still go. Did you, did I, didn't see you. Oh no, now we burn. It's what you do to me. I only see the things you know. Can you be good to
We, what should we do? Let's hit the road. Oh, you'll never go it alone. We, stay brave, you time to explode. Oh, you'll never do it. Yeah, you'll never do it alone. Hit the road, let's hit the road. It's time to hit the road. Let's go hit the road. I got you. Yeah, I got you. I got you. Yeah, I got you. I got you. Yeah, I got you. Ooh, I'ma be your partner by your side.
As far as retail goes, so again, I got these around $30 on sale, but the original retail price point of these is $90. These are actually still available on certain sites, specifically Adidas's website, which is still a pretty good deal. They're on sale. So if you can find a steal for these, I think that they are worth it. They look really, really cool. And I love this color blocking, color combinations that they went with on this pair of Taekwondos. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We'll catch you all on the next one.
Like a Batman, Robin, Bonafide.